Sorry. I apologize.
नहीं 10 बार बोल. 10 बार sorry बोल.
Sorry.
And this should have opened with like the Bart Simpson wala opening hota na Simpsons ka where he's just writing on a chalkboard. I will not delete the podcast.
Yeah.
I will not
So
delete
guys,
the podcast.
direct all your anger, irritation towards Baba here because we shot an episode well before time yesterday in the evening.
At
And-
5 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
Record.
We recorded it. It was followed by us texting each other saying, "Guys, this 5 to 7 time is damn good. We are
Yeah,
fresh, it's
nail
great,
ke hum log ne.
and we've killed it. What a good podcast! What a great episode!" Followed by Baba's text message on the group saying, "Guys, I have deleted the podcast." So we are like, ha ha ha, assuming it's a joke. Then Baba called all of us and said he's deleted it. Again, we laughed and
do
thought
an
it was a
impression of
joke.
Baba. Just do an impression of Baba.
Guys,
Guys, I
guys,
think I've
Hyderabad
deleted the
tickets weren't
podcast.
selling, or
so I wanted
Gurkha
to
has
delete. I
12
wanted to
left,
empty something.
so I
and,
deleted the podcast.
So anybody who's bought tickets to Baba's show, please buy tickets to my show in Bombay on 13th March. We're taping for tried and tested jokes as opposed to Baba trying out material and throwing his trash on your face.
And forget Baba shows because you might delete the entire tour.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry guys. Oh shit, yeah.
So in the comments, please write Baba BC.
Yeah, Baba BC.
Baba BC.
Baba, तो ऐसे कैसे किया यार? बता जरा. Tell us your side of the
You know,
story.
it's like Baba's version of my dog ate my homework.
Yeah, dude.
ठीक
तेरे को
है?
एडिट नहीं करना है तो बता दे बाबा.
सिर्फ
It's
बता
okay,
दे
bro.
बाबा.
You do this, huh?
हम लोग सब एडिटिंग सीखे या हम लोग एडिट
I-
करा लेंगे बाहर से. तू वर्कलोड ओवर स्ट्रेस हो रहा है तेरे को.
I like that Varun went. हम सब editing सीखे. हम सब बाहर से करा लेंगे edit.
थोड़े हम बैठ के करेंगे.
Baba, you want to say something in your defense?
I have no defense for this stupidity. It
Correct.
was absolutely my fault.
That's right. That's
So-
the right
That's
answer.
right. That's right. That's
Yeah.
fucking right.
Yeah.
अभी
अच्छा,
कान
so
पकड़.
बाबा,
कान
बाबा
पकड़
ये पॉडकास्ट खत्म होएगा तो ये एडिट करके भेज दे फिर
नहीं तू मत कर
निकाल
edit. बाबा तू मत कर एडिट क्योंकि अभी प्रॉमिस कर दिया शाम को आ रहा है. ठीक है तो तू ऐसे ही करके सिर्फ भेज दे. भेज दे. ऐसे अपलोड कर. लाइव जाते हैं खत्म कर. ओके चलो.
I hope this,
Are we even recording right now? हाँ, we are recording.
fuck,
Thank
fuck.
God.
better
चलो.
fucking be recording Baba.
yeah. You know something. I have a feeling, guys. The next time Baba goes to therapy, his therapist will be like, "So, Baba, how are you working on the other problems?" No, I have gone completely backwards because I deleted that file, and now my mental health and my I can't. I just don't know.
Okay चलो let's start. Baba,
Guys,
you're not
sorry, guys.
forgiven.
Sorry.
हाँ.
Okay.
Never
Guys,
will be.
बाबा के जगह हाँ मेरा टिकट खरीद लो 13 मार्च को instead of बाबा guys. Sorry.
मैंने बॉम्बे में शो ऐड कर दिया है और हैदराबाद ऑलमोस्ट बिग
You have
Hey,
lost
don't-
every
Fuck
right.
you,
Nobody
Baba.
buy tickets.
Don't fucking
Nobody.
promote shows.
Let's
First-
start the show quickly. Hello and welcome to another episode which we had to reshoot because of Baba. A show where we take random incidents, shocking weird facts, stats, trivia, and personal stories, and then Baba deletes it. Today's episode is on cults. Not only did I improvise the opening, but I also hit it right. So Baba, this means you have to delete more episodes
That's
for
right.
us to do the intro in one shot.
नहीं. लेकिन एक intro के लिए नहीं delete कर please.
Also, by the way, you know what, guys? If we were a cult, Baba would be executed by now.
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
it would have been a long time. Like we have to sacrifice
Incriminating
one Baba.
evidence against him would have been leaked all over social media.
Yeah.
Because that funny fact, that's what a lot of cults do when you join a cult. A way for them to keep you a part of that and not go out and disclose stuff about the cult is they usually end up getting a lot of incriminating stuff about you. That ranges from naked pictures of you, intimate details about you, bank, wang, ye, wo, bahut sara kuch. So that if ever you think of leaving, they just put it out there and fuck your life up or blackmail.
Yeah, and the best proof that we are not a cult is that none of us will ever keep naked pictures of Baba. Ever.
That's true.
Ever on any. We would delete that.
But
if
if
we
you
ever find
actually
it,
think
also we'll
about it,
delete it.
If you actually think about it, we are sort of cultish because like we've excommunicated people and we've
No, Baba, we were excommunicated.
We were excommunicated.
don't,
We didn't excommunicate anybody.
अबे
The one thing that
महानंद
wasn't
ने
communicated-
ओशो को नहीं
the one
निकाला,
thing
ओशो
that-
ने महानंद को निकाला.
Ah, the one thing that wasn't communicated to us was the new password. That is
Yeah.
what. That was a communication gap.
Dude, our documentary will be called Wild Wild Community. Because-
So
Sorry.
I have a question which sort of we can just sort of start the podcast with, like, talking about, is cult necessarily like a negative thing? Like, is it constantly etymologically speaking a negative thing? Because it comes from like cultivation, it comes from care, it comes from domestication, comes from that.
Oh.
And then
I
there
think-
is this
I
one
think one way
leader
to
which
answer it,
I thought
is
it was
that-
more about culture. Like
No,
you-
so cult by itself is not probably a bad thing, but जो cults ने किया है कांड,
हाँ,
that
वो
has-
गलत है.
yeah, that has
No,
led.
And also, Kautuk, just take up from what you said. Cult, the people who are a part of the cult never view themselves or communicate to each other as being a part of cult. Cult is usually a term used by all the external forces to either discredit, shame, or show that they are different from religion, because a lot of people sort of end up mixing that, right? Like
Yeah.
the similarity between cult and religion. Now, cult is more of a social movement that bunch of people undertake together. Now, whether that qualifies as a religion is only, like, for example, Scientology started off as what you could call a cult. Now it's officially registered as a religion. So is what is that? Mormonism.
Mormons. Yeah.
Right? They also started off as being cultish, but now have. But on the other hand, you have these other people. Abhi Rajneesh Puram Pakadle. They also wanted to qualify as religion because obviously you don't end up paying taxes, and there's a lot of financial benefits to that. Sorry, I forgot my chain of thought. Kya
No,
bol raha
but
tha?
like taking off from what you said, right? Ki the people in the cult don't think it's a
yeah.
cult, right? Like they're probably
But
just
that's
sitting
like-
around going like, "This is a really fun Discord channel," you know?
Yeah.
And-
But it's the primary writing, right? Why, like, how do you write a good villain? Like, if you really look at it, the villain of the story should feel like he's not the villain. Like, every time you hear a person in a Bollywood movie go, "I am bad man," it's immediate disconnect. It's the person who feels that he's doing absolutely correct. That's the
Yeah.
good antagonist, right?
and you're like Gulshan Grover. Nice to meet you.
Bad man.
No, but the thing about cults is, like, even if you look at it from a music thing, right? Like the Beatles were a religion, right? Like I mean, Pink Floyd is a religion, but then, like, you know, ELP is
I mean,
a
but
cult.
it's religion, not in the actual
it's
sense
not.
of
I'm saying, like,
religion, right? So I think even
Right.
when you refer
like,
to
even if you look at
somebody,
BTS, those fans are ardent fans of the band, right? Like they're just completely
Correct.
crazy about the band and pretty much worship the band, but not in a religious sort of way, but like they're completely mesmerized and taken up and taken over by that. So
No, so like the cultish behavior, right? Like, okay, one way to explain religion versus cult, right? Like cult is a smaller, more hardcore version of religion, right? So religion just has way more people. A cult is a subset of that, like a smaller sort of like. And what is the threshold level where a cult becomes a religion? I don't exactly know, but it's a much more tighter knit group of people.
if DDLJ is a
So-
religion, then Bauji has a cult.
Yeah, like there's a cult of Bauji. Where,
why operative word is why does Bauji? Is there a bunch of old people just feeding pigeons? नहीं, हम ये करते हैं रोज.
Hey, but that works like that works with, like, if you look at something as massive as Star Wars, the cult within Star Wars is the people who feel that the prequels were nice versus the people who feel like the original 4, 5, and 6 episodes were great. So the prequels were the 1, 2, 3 episodes. So there's an entire separate cult who believes that the prequels were legit and the prequels were
And
good.
they're
They're
wrong.
canon.
I like
And
Adi,
they're
I like
wrong.
exactly. I like Adar's example because in that situation, the cult is harmful because
Yeah.
these chutias don't have any taste whatsoever.
No, but a lot of things overlap between religion and cult, right? Like first is the presence of like a charismatic leader, after whom usually the religion is named, right?
Yeah.
Abhi, Jesus of Nazareth, Jesus Christ, Christianity. Same.
But that's a
even-
religion.
Manson family.
No, exactly. And then even Islam first was, I think, was termed Mohammedisms or something. Pehle.
Oh,
Yeah, in academic discourse, but obviously now it's Islam. So cult में वो सब similarities है. You look at Osho, you look at Charles Manson, you look at but the Jonestown guy, or Daniel Renier, or that Ashiro Shinikawa, whatever. All of them are following this charismatic leader who usually you have to then refer to by another name. Like Daniel Renier would get his followers to call him Vanguard. He was the head of Nexium, which is spelled as NVIXM.
So, Rajesh changed to Osho. So, like everything, a grander name or whatever, a rebirth of sorts.
So there's a very interesting article I found which basically says, I love the name of it. It says 10 signs you're probably in a cult. Okay. So,
and did you find it on areyouinacult.com?
No, it's usejournal.com, blog.usejournal.com. So now here's the thing. Okay, I just want to take you through it and just see some of the stuff that is here, because it tells you exactly how they are formed and how they hold at control and how they basically propagate. Okay, so first is, like you were saying, the leader is the ultimate authority. Okay, so it's a hierarchy where the leader is dictating terms, right? The second is the group suppresses skepticism. Okay, so if you
so far we are 2 on 2. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
So members are discouraged from consuming any material that is critical of the group. So they cut contact from the outside
3
world
out of
completely.
3.
Okay, then the group delegitimizes former members. So if
Shit.
you leave
4
the
out
cult,
of 4.
We're a cult.
So the former members, when they speak out, they're dismissed as bitter, angry, dishonest, or evil. Okay. Then the fourth point is the group is paranoid about the outside world. Okay. The fifth is the group relies on shame cycles. Now this is pretty interesting. Okay. So if you need your group to be in order to feel, if you need your group to feel worthy, loved, or sufficient, you're probably in a cult. Okay. Cult leaders trap members in shame cycles by imposing abnormally strict codes of conduct. Usually prescriptions about diet, appearance, sex, relationships, media, guilting members for their shortcomings and then positioning themselves as the unique remedy to the feelings of guilt, which they themselves have created. Okay, so it's very abusive.
It is.
The sixth is the leader is above the law, so he doesn't have to do anything that he preaches. The seventh is the group uses thought reform methods. The group is elitist. It's a us versus them. There is no financial transparency. So donations are taken, but you don't know where they're going. And the last point is that the group performs secret rites. So you have particular rituals that are specific to that particular cult. So if any of these apply to you, then you're probably in one.
You know, if you watch any documentary on Scientology, all of this applies to Scientology completely. Like if you watch that killer movie with Joaquin and Philip Seymour, what's his name? The Master. Superb, right? Literally shows you how the indoctrination process almost takes place in Scientology. And by the way, Scientology is not like, firstly, it was created by L. Ron Hubbard, who you guys know was a science fiction writer.
Yeah.
This guy was literally disillusioned कि मेरा script नहीं बिक रहा है, बराबर कोई ले रहा नहीं है, तो उसने वो पूरा ये लेके एक religion बना दिया है. Can you imagine?
So there's another theory that is floating around that he put a bet with a friend of his.
I wouldn't be surprised.
Which one of us can start a religion, and ultimately he won.
Because it's got all these principles of that you see in existing religion. You know, your doomsday is coming, for example, or when the apocalypse come and you need to go to a safer place. It's me, your leader, who's going to help you. You know, all of those things, which even Scientology has. They have, instead of gods, they have alien beings as a part of their scripture, so to speak, which has been widely published, by the way. And when you have people like Tom Cruise, who's a fierce Scientologist, you're just trying to think that
Isn't Travolta also? Even
John Travolta's this one, and there was another. I think she's a TV personality called Leah Remini, who defected. And even Crash, the Oscar-winning Crash movie, uska Paul Haggis, right?
Paul Haggis, yeah.
He is also former Scientologist, who've all now been sort of realized that they were in a cult or they were in a place where it's not good to be in. They've all left and they've come out with like almost whistleblowing about stuff that goes on there. And
there's
Scientology also same thing.
There's a great book, in case you are interested in this. It's called Going Clear. It's written by a former person who left Scientology. It's amazing. The book is
made also into another documentary.
Yeah,
I think the documentary is called Clear.
So the thing that you were talking about, right? Like there's a great Bill Burr bit, by the way, about this same phenomena. Ki, when you were saying ki, how do people believe in something like Scientology, right? Ki aliens aayega, hame bachayega, ye sab, how the fuck are they believing it? So Bill Burr has this great bit. He's like, the reason Scientology seems stupid to us is because it's recent.
Yeah.
Because it's like, that's the stuff you're like, hey, how the fuck can anyone believe this? But if you give it 2000 years, suddenly you're like, yeah, I guess this is tradition.
But that's how the distinction between cults and religion happens, right? Like if you survive the test of time, eventually, if followed, it
No, it's a
might just
cult
end up.
in your lifetime.
Yeah.
It's a religion in your future generation's lifetime.
Correct.
That's what
And
I'm
now
trying
for
to say.
academic discourse, they call it new religious movements.
Dude, so you know something like,
Cults are
By
actually
the way,
referred to as new
Bart-
religious movements.
Bart Simpson, the Nancy Cartwright, is actually a Scientologist, and like she's voiced like there's some really funny. She's promoting the Scientology like with like in Bart Simpson's voice. Hi, dude. I'm Bart Simpson, and you're here. Welcome to the office of Scientology. And like she's saying it in the voice, which is hilarious to listen to.
No, and
She's
you know,
promoting
I found a killer quote, okay, by Robin Clark, who's a linguistics professor at the School of Arts and Sciences. He said the word cult was co-opted in the first half of the 20th century by sociology and has come to denote a social group with socially deviant beliefs and practices.
That's
like
what it's become
a
incorrect.
like a UFO cult. See, and you will use it to describe, say, oh, Beatles fans are a cult. You're not actually saying that, oh, they're fans who are cults who will go and do everything the Beatles say, including
No, but I think it's
like
I think
mass
it's
murder or
the right
suicide.
example would be I think the right example would be
here.
No, it's not. I'm saying the right example for that would be Andaz Apna Apna has a cult following, or Pulp Fiction has a cult following. Now, the cult following in this case just means small or a very limited number. Like,
Or I feel more than that, a fierce. Like if
it
you
could be
have
fierce.
Pulp,
It
Shouldn't
could
like,
be
if you were to
hardcore.
look at it
Hardcore.
like
Hardcore.
if he's saying social deviancy, that doesn't mean like deviant. We've given a negative connotation to deviance.
Deviance
Like
is a
socially
negative word.
deviant.
It comes
no,
from devilish
yeah.
behavior.
So it's just deviant from like what your social norms are. Like it's a deviation. If you look at that,
but not
like,
deviation
that's
for
where
the
word comes.
better. It's never, the connotation is never, oh, if you call somebody sexually deviant, it's not like nahi, wo alag sex karta hai. It's like, this guy's fucking weird. That's the. But anyway, talking about, since we were saying Beatles, one guy who was very famous for being the leader of a cult that got a lot of celebrity in its time, and even now, is the Manson family, whose leader was Charles Manson, and he was a massive fan of the Beatles track Helter Skelter, right? And his concept of a race war that is coming, and it's me who's going to help you, and we have to. It was literally between whites and blacks, and I'm going to be the savior. And he wanted to start and spread this thing, and he actually managed to get a lot of people to follow this. And the murders at the Tate home, basically Sharon Tate's murder, was supposed to kick off his Helter Skelter concept. And that place was actually the producer, music producers who stayed there, who had not given a deal offer to Manson, which is why he sent his people there first. Turns out the house was sold, and then Roman Polanski and Sharon Tate had it, and then she happened to be like innocent bystander, as they say.
You know something, the scary part of this thing is, as an artist, it's like the Beatles put out the song, and then some fucking weirdo heard whatever he wanted to hear from it, and then just did whatever the fuck he
I
wanted.
mean, John Lennon, to Catcher in the Rye.
Catcher in the Rye ko twist karke usko maar diya.
And
No, but the thing about the Catcher in the Rye there is that he was just reading Catcher in the Rye.
No, it's widely said that it was the book. Dude, there was a fucking crazy South Park episode on the same thing where they go off. This guy was wanted to go kill John Lennon after he read Catcher in the Rye. Something about in the book, the way he interpreted, made him behave in that way. So all the guys from South Park write a book, buy Scrody McBruger balls, and everybody who reads it starts throwing up, including Morgan Freeman, who does a live reading on national TV and throws up. So, I mean, moving away from the point, like
Do you think someone's going to do a cult with like an Indian artist like this, like Falguni Pathak ka gana sun ke?
I'm sure that is already acha doing
टूट
something
रही
deviant.
थी कलियां तो गलियां कहाँ तेरा पिया
ये
कहाँ
पायलें
तेरा
That means I have to go kill 20 people. I have to go kill my ex. She's telling me to go kill my ex.
And the whole cult has piles with them. That's their whole thing.
They all wear a red jacket.
Yeah.
I don't know what would happen if you listen to Falguni Pathak backwards. I don't know what.
It's a song about the devil, like
Yeah.
Stairway to Heaven.
No, your garba happens ulta.
Ulta.
Yeah,
And
which
your
actually
feet,
happens.
and not because you go ulta, your feet turn ulta, and then they're like, okay.
You know what?
Coming
In
back to the
retrospect, I'm
topic.
glad I deleted the last episode.
No, Baba, you shouldn't be because.
Oh, Baba, you didn't. Too soon, Baba. Too soon.
Too
Too
soon.
soon for
Baba,
you,
too soon.
bro.
Yeah, I
And
apologize.
the thing is, Baba, the next question is when is it okay? Never. Never is it.
It's okay. Yeah, exactly. So again, coming back to topic, if you see, एक तो बहुत सारे cults have been in existence all across, but obviously US has the most well documented ones, right? कि उधर कुछ cult होता है, इन लोग एक फटाक से documentary या picture निकाल लेते हैं या कोई book लिख लेता है या whatever. So you
No, I
had
think it's also because they have to, like, most of these cults apply for like paperwork and stuff to become an organization. Like the Ku Klux Klan, for example, was registered as an organization, right? It's a like there is something called. The
आप क्या बनाते हैं सर यहाँ
resistance
पर?
for-
हम लोग white bedsheet. Okay, okay.
No,
किसी
like
को
there is
बोलेंगे नहीं कि
something
अपन
called
पहन के आग के इधर काट
What
के
is it
जाएंगे
called?
टीकी टॉर्च लेके.
the resistance for white America or something like that. They're all registered movements and they're registered. People are card carrying members and stuff like that there. So which is why they have a great history of documentation in that scenario. I mean,
So-
in India,
No,
if you just
India,
look-
we'll get to India. Let's finish Bharka first, then we'll get to the
Huh.
ones in India. In fact, one of the most popular ones obviously originated from India before it went out, which is Rajneeshpuram, aka Osho's
White White
Casa Osho.
Casa
Which,
del
by the
Osho.
way, if you ask
Casa
anybody
del Osho.
growing up,
Casa
okay,
Osho.
in India, when say you were in early college or whatever, you heard about Osho, right? And he was known
Dude.
for two things. अरे वो चप्पल जो ऐसा
अरे वो
Yeah.
लेकिन
और
वो
दूसरा,
वाला
bro-
चप्पल वरुण दिस चप्पल इज वर्जन 2.0
हाँ,
पहला
second-
वाला
second
flat
generation.
earth- हाँ second gen
And the other thing was that, hey, bro, Osho na, everybody is fucking everybody. Like, no,
मतलब
regardless of
ऐसा
what
हाँ,
else,
gate खुलेगा and you see orgy. Like,
Yeah.
this is what everybody in 10th
anybody
standard
growing up thought of that. Till you, obviously, most people have watched Wild Wild Country to see the sheer
Mania.
magnitude of
Yeah.
that movement when it started. It was insane, dude. And that documentary, by the way, if there's three of you who've not watched it by any chance, please watch it. It plays out like a bloody thriller, like a
Yeah,
proper thriller. And
Yeah.
it is just documented footage cut with interviews of Man and Sheila. Wow.
Oh, dude, by the way, there's
Is on
another.
hard drugs.
There is another documentary. There's
That-
तू ओशो गया है क्या
She is a
Yeah.
complete bitch.
तू ओशो के अंदर गया है क्या
नहीं, मैं
What
सिर्फ बाहर
to-
चप्पल खरीद के आया हूँ.
तू चप्पल
हाँ, सब लोग
वहां तक
बाहर
क्यों गया
जाते
वो
हैं।
तो फैशन स्ट्रीट में भी पहुंच गया था वो तो मैं जर्मन
I am,
जाके
I like
केक
authentic.
ऑथेंटिक
Yeah, वहाँ पे
ऑथेंटिक ओशो
बाहर,
चप्पल
गेट के बाहर, हाँ, गेट के बाहर
तेरे को
वाला।
लिंकिंग
और
रोड पे
कुछ-
इलियास ने बनाया हुआ ओशो चप्पल
नहीं
नहीं.
नहीं मैं तो हाँ मैं भी खरीदा है उधर से और मैं दोनों जनरेशन का पहना था लेकिन आई वाज एन ओशो चप्पल एडिक्ट
dude, there's another
Oh, चप्पल है.
documentary.
हाँ, बाबा
चप्पल addict.
चप्पल एडिक्ट.
Sure.
हाँ.
चप्पल
बाबा
addict.
दोनों जनरेशन ऑफ ओशो आश्रम का चप्पल एडिक्ट.
Addict.
बट ट्रू स्टोरी मेरे
Okay.
पास
But what
blue
was it
color का
about?
भी
Like,
था और black
Vinod
color का भी
Khanna
था
also had a big thing with Osho, right?
Bro,
Like,
Vinod Khanna, Mahesh Bhatt, like, dude, at Osho's peak, he was, एक तो पहले उसके पास 93 Rolls Royce थे, या मालूम है क्या? 93 Rolls Royce. I think after the 17th one, you're like, नहीं यार, कुछ और गाड़ी चाहिए.
बस हो
लेकिन
गया,
नहीं.
हाँ, कुछ Ferrari, कुछ Audi,
93
Mercedes.
Rolls Royce. ठीक है. So anyway, obviously originated from India, then took America by storm. Right? उनका भी यही scene था that they, and therefore his followers went nuts, right? When they were standing up for
Yeah.
the local elections and they knew a certain amount of people weren't going to vote for them. They remember they went and tried to spread salmonella through a cafe.
Shit, dude.
And so you have such like absolutely crazy, erratic, often like illogical behavior followed by people, parts of cults, right? So you had this, and then another thing you see a lot of them do is like mass suicide. right? Because their
Yeah.
entire thing hinged on the fact that, hey, the apocalypse is nigh, and if you want to be safe or you want to get away, it's me and I'm going to help you. And this doomsday narrative has been on since the 60s. So you had, people with low self-confidence, people who are shunned from society,
But I think
people who are
I think
sad,
that's
depressed,
a
whatever.
Yeah, so it's
A lot of
basically
Thakur,
people
that's
in
a
cults,
very
people in
very
cults
important
basically
fact.
like let go of religion, right? People completely
They will, because you're
nikal
following
jate hain.
another thing blindly, right? But I think that, Varun, what you're saying is a very important part of being in a cult for several reasons. One is like a certain amount of thing that's missing from your actual life, which therefore has an impact on what your mental well-being is. For
Correct.
you to be that submissive to a ideology that may not resonate with everyone, and that is something that you are seeking, this urge to belong, this necessity to belong. It's almost that Stockholm syndrome meets,
Ish, yeah.
abusee vibe,
Yeah.
where the more abuse you feel and the more you complete stages of abuse, the more closer you feel to the god like person of the
Yeah.
cult,
No,
right?
so
You
I've had
also, one sec,
it's
Let him finish.
I'm
Let him
saying
finish.
you also go, they also sort of what's it called, Ferberize you into the process of it. So aisa, like the Manson family, for example, I mean, he's never like, the direct thing isn't go and kill somebody. It's never that. It starts off with kill an ant, kill a cockroach, kill a bird, kill a fly, kill a
Get used
frog,
to the
kill a
idea of killing something that
killing
has
thing.
not attacked you
Correct. And
directly.
over that period of time, and then if you don't, you're shamed. If you are not, if you are shamed, then you are, but if you are you're celebrated. There's a lot of ways that these guys do. For example, somebody was talking about the love, overt love, when you walk into a
that's
cult.
exactly what I was going
Yeah,
for. It's
yeah,
called love bombed.
there you go,
And
love bomb.
so the new recruits are just love bombed. There's a lot of affirmation for everything that they're feeling wrong. So it's just a lot of stuff that people feel is lacking in their life, which what Neville was saying. So it's just given to them a lot. Like I've had friends who have belonged to like certain groups, and and they're performing artists and stuff like that, and they're performing on stage. And there are groups. There's theater groups that are like that. There are other groups that function like that. And मैं नाम वाम तो नहीं देने वाला, but they are literally functioning like a cult, where the person who's the lead in that case, who's the director of your whatever group, can hurl abuses at you, throw things at you, and you feel that you are at fault, and you still have to impress that person. And that follows a lot in even like in to a great extent in all these performing arts, like
So
a lot of
startups,
groups in
dude.
performing arts. Yeah,
Startups.
You
and
know, it's
startups.
and it's usually an idea that has some sort of freshness to it, for you to let go of conventional stuff that you would believe or follow and start following said person or this, and eventually leads to megalomania, right? Like you watch any of these guys, if Osho, for example, people still swear by the things he used to teach. The
No, but the
murders, the
teachings,
deceit, the
huh,
financial fraud, the abuse aside, nobody is denying that. वो तो चुतियागिरी चल रहा ही था, but
huh.
a lot of people still revere and follow all of his teachings.
Yeah, his
No, so
books and all, right, which are all
the
right.
philosophy versus the actions are very separate, right? A
Correct.
person
So-
could have the reason the person had such great following was because the philosophy was on some level sound. It resonated
like
with you.
that charisma, those oratory skills, whatever, that
Yeah.
might attract you to it, but eventually leading to some, which is where people who become cognizant of the fact that there is abuse in plain sight and they want to leave, the others still follow through.
Yeah. It's not
So
just that.
one second.
Yeah.
So there is a like this whole thing that we're talking about, right? It's illustrated extremely well in this one documentary, which I highly suggest you watch. It's a documentary called Holy Hell. Okay, it's a 2016 documentary by a guy called Will Allen. Okay, Will Allen
Okay.
was part of a cult called Buddha Field. Okay, now Buddha Field was run by this guy who went by the name of Michel. Okay, and so let's start. And most documentaries that you see about cults, right, they follow the same pattern. What is the pattern? It's the protagonist, like the people who enter these cults, they're usually people who have not been accepted in society.
Yeah.
So they're always the stragglers of society, the people who are left behind, right? And when mainstream society rejects you, any place that offers you even a little bit of acceptance,
Yeah.
you will embrace it. and
It's
you
not
will
even
not.
acceptance, it's respect, dude. It's just that,
Yeah, it's too
Yeah,
much.
little bit.
it's that they like,
Mm.
yeah.
So people, it's the only place where you are not judged for who you are, so therefore you buy into it and you look past all the red flags that are very clearly present. It's like if you haven't
Because your
dated
brain
someone in
can
a long
justify
time.
anything. No,
Yeah,
I'm saying your
exactly.
brain can justify anything. Your brain can justify, like, what's it called? Right from murder to cheating to, cheating on your gym schedule to whatever it is. Your brain can justify anything. It doesn't matter.
So yeah, so these guys get into the thing, and the initial part is always very good, which is why they end up staying. There is some definite benefits. There are psychological benefits. There's community living. There's connections with other people. So you genuinely feel like you're part of something bigger, right? And then what these charismatic leaders of cults do is they start pitting you against each other within the cult, right? So you're constantly vying for only one person's attention, which is the guy at the top, right? Chances are at some point, if you are lucky, and if for whatever reason you suddenly realize critically that jo yahan ho raha hai wo sahi nahi hai, that's when you end up leaving, right? So Buddha Field, again, he found out that the leader was sexually abusing a lot of the other people in the cult,
which
right?
is which
Mm.
is probably the hallmark of a lot of these cults, right? Whatever philosophy, ideology you want to start off with, it eventually leads to a lot of megalomania from the this and a whole bunch of sexual deviant practices that go on inside. Like Daniel Rendier again, उनके इसमें क्या था that you would be marked. So first, what you have to do is
Yeah.
submit naked pictures of yourself the to the leader, because as a sign of offering or some shit, then you would get labeled with what is that thing? And they used to tattoo, which garam hota hai pura,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
they,
that sizzling thing, no?
so yeah,
You put
they
in
Yeah.
almost
cows.
mark. Yeah,
You
they
put
mark
what you put in
cows.
Yeah.
bovine.
So you
Yeah.
burn
You do
it
in
into the
bovine thing.
skin.
So they
Yeah.
would do
Yeah.
that like on a lot of these girls, and they were branded, and this would be considered as one of the most amazing things I have done for my master or vanguard or whatever at that point
Yeah.
they were
Yeah.
called. Now, obviously, like if you look at it from an outside perspective, you're like, this is straight up fucking abuse. This is going to be blackmail with naked pictures and all of that. But
Yeah.
at that point of time, when you are a part of that cult, none of this matters. You go ahead with it. And that's the scary, shockingly scary part, because cults have been in existence since 1500s, right? Your
Mm.
narrative for most of them have been the same. I think it's tougher to get away being culty in this form, but that hasn't stopped cults from existing.
Yeah.
No,
It's
but
still
that is what is great about cults of, just like, like I want to say cults pre 2000. Like anything that's a cult pre 2000 is fascinating, because Osho sitting in fucking Pune has amassed an entire whatever 2, 3, 4 million people, to come to a small
Rajneeshpuram,
place,
Oregon.
Pune.
small place in
Uh-huh.
Oregon.
Mhm.
And this is without the internet. Today you can get an egg to be the most liked photo on Instagram, but I'm saying because
Which
it's
is why,
available.
bro, perfect example. Although it's not a cult, it's a fucking terrorist organization. But look at ISIS.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
recruiting happens through the internet a
In
lot.
fact,
It's
it's
extreme
crazy
cultistry,
how
isn't it?
well
It's at
oiled
extreme. Yeah.
their PR and recruitment methods are. And you had people not just from Iraq, Syria, or other countries close by. You had people, educated people from Scandinavia, from Australia, from the US, from South America, all flooding there. So
Yeah.
I think
It's that information, right? It depends on what information you're
no, but the
consuming.
fundamentals of the kind of people who go to these haven't changed in those many years. You will always
Yeah.
find disillusioned
Not at
people
all.
in society looking
There's
for acceptance or
there,
sense of belonging, who will always be there.
there's two things. One is disillusioned people who are not accepted in society. So obviously, as a society, you need to fix that and get these people back into the mainstream, give them the love and support and comfort they need. The second thing is that you need to enforce critical thinking within the population.
Correct.
Right? Like it's only when people fucking don't have critical thinking, when you get duped into superstition as a substitute for any kind of real meaningful work or ideas, right?
Correct.
So like अरे dude, cult like behavior मैं बताता हूँ. Like अभी इंडिया में कितने सारे cases, कितने सारे. Like there was one Burari family, right? 11 of them got killed because they were performing a ritual where they had to hang themselves, and they
Oh
believed
fuck.
कि their dead patriarch, like उनका grandfather जो मर गया था, वो आके उनको बचाएगा. but of course नहीं बचाया.
Hmm.
And वो लोग गुजर गए, dude. 11 of them. And it's just simple critical thinking.
Again, another hallmark of a lot of these cults, right? Which lot of them leading their followers to mass suicide. So you had the People's Cult or something, right? Jonestown.
Jonestown.
Jim Jones was the main guy. He again told people that, oh wait, this is going to be the turn of the century or whatever, and then there is going to be an apocalypse coming, but all of us, we are going to be safe because I'm going to take you to a safer place. And
It's always an apocalyptic event, na? It's like
Always.
something to rally
more
around.
often than not, yeah. You have a common
Okay, oh shit.
threat coming, and
तुम
I'm
लोग
going to
मरने वाले हो
be
और yeah.
I'm going to be your savior from that
Savior.
threat. Dude,
Savior. Correct. There's this one weird one that is,
1,000 odd people, right? 1,500 people, if I'm not mistaken, come mass suicide in
Dude,
Jonestown.
by the way, Jonestown is where the phrase "drinking the Kool-Aid" came from. Because
oh,
so they gave the
shit.
cyanide within
Cyanide
the,
in Kool-Aid.
in Kool-Aid, and they drank it. So drinking the
Oh,
Kool-Aid basically
damn.
means believing something without critically thinking about it.
Yeah.
Dude, एक और है यहाँ पे, this guy called David Koresh, and it's called the Branch Davidians. And this guy, what he did was, this is one of those shitty ones where there was a massive firefight with the FBI when they actually attacked that place. And apparently,
This was in Waco, Texas. Was it the same one?
This was called Mount Carmel. It was headquartered at a commune called Mount Carmel. I'm not finding where this happened. This was somewhere in Texas only, I think. And about 76 people were killed in that gunfight. And the entire thing about these guys was like, first of all, sex is outlawed in this cult, but only the leader and his chosen wives are allowed to have sex.
Of course.
Convenient.
So a lot of people are assuming that this guy just started the cult to get laid, and then it's just like he became.
And then it ended in a shootout with the FBI.
Hey,
like,
dude, just use Tinder. What the fuck, man? You don't have to fucking start a sex cult. But
वो
here's
time
the
पे था
thing,
नहीं ना?
एक ये चीज है,
81.
okay? If you ever come across a person who has zero amounts of self-doubt, please fucking run. This person is fully capable of starting a cult and will convince you that you should join just because he is so goddamn confident. It's true across the board. If you look at Charles Manson, if you look at Jim Jones, all of these people have one thing in common: zero self-doubt. They're like, I will tell you because I know, and you're like, "Tu itna confidence."
But I think that if you don't have that confidence, I don't think that people will fall for the ruse that you are portraying, because these are people who are looking at you for this.
Which is why I'm saying,
dude, you can't be a charismatic orator in the eyes of the public by saying,
like,
no, I'm like,
Hyderabad ka ticket nahi
Oh, by the way, Bawa, this is something that will interest you, okay? Because this is a cult that also had an impact on the marketing of Nike, okay?
So I know this story.
So this was a cult called Heaven's Gate, okay? So Heaven's Gate, basically again a doomsday cult, and in late March 1997, 39 members of the Heaven's Gate cult took their own lives inside a Southern California mansion. Now, the strange thing was that 39 of them died. When the police went in, they realized that all 39 of them were wearing the same shoes. Okay, these were Nike shoes. They were black in color. You can look this up online. So these photos went to the press, right? And because they were so widely publicized, people also started noticing, you know, sab ek hi juta pen raha hai, right? So it had such a negative impact on that particular brand of shoes by Nike that Nike had to pull the entire range out. And like people were saying stuff like, this was so fitting because these people wore the shoes and they said, just do it.
Too soon.
Too soon.
No, but you know, the guy who was the leader of this, Marshall Applewhite, you know, uska kya narrative tha na? Ki Earth and everything around it is going to be wiped off into a clean slate. So I am going to take you with me on this comet called Hale-Bopp.
Oh, shit, dude.
And we are going to bounce. So there are 39,
What is this, a
40
Hanson
odd people.
song or what? It's a Hanson song. Hale-Bopp, Hale-Bopp.
So this is, and imagine there were 40 people who believed in what this guy was saying.
Basically, all want to fuck off. Like all cult people.
Comet पे लेके जा रहा हूँ मैं
Only
तुमको.
40. That's half my Hyderabad tickets.
Yeah.
Oh,
Guys,
guys,
मेरा
go for
बॉम्बे में Adar's show, because Adar's show is happening in Bombay. Bombay tickets भी guys. खाली 60
Also-
tickets
also-
है
हाँ, sorry,
You know
continue.
something?
हाँ.
People will come to Baba's show, and at the end of the show, Baba will be like, "All right, so guys, under your seat, you will find one bottle of Kool-Aid.
No.
Kindly unscrew
If
the
Baba's
cap."
offering
And
you drinks, yeah. If Baba's offering you free drinks at his show, yeah.
But can I tell you one off-topic story about just Hyderabad? I got a DM saying Baba very excited to come to Hyderabad show. I have booked 2 tickets even though I'm only one person. At this rate, I'm just really scared कि
I think it was Ajay Devgan. He's going to sit like that.
Yeah, ऐसे
Um,
करके
Arey
split करके
dude,
बैठेगा.
Kautuk, you've gotten flack from Ajay Devgan cult also.
Arey, the cult of Ajay
Oh,
Devgan,
yeah.
correct? Yes.
What are they
No,
called?
but
Ajay
that's
Devganians.
Divganians.
Dubgans.
Dude, that's yeah. That's
I think it's because मुंह में इतना पान मसाला है, you can't say Devgan anymore.
Ah,
You
yeah,
lost your
yeah.
ability to say
You can
Devgan.
only do consonants. You can only do
Devgan,
consonants because
Yeah,
vowels
so
will
it's
open
like,
your
हाँ,
mouth.
तो मुंह में पान मसाला डालो, Ajay Devgan, this is what will come out.
Dude, you know the
बहुत
thing
मार
about
पड़ने वाली है हम
the
लोग को.
thing about these
Ready?
any followers, right, of anything,
Hmm.
and when you see them, especially fans of like people like a film star or a cricketer or footballer or whatever, when you see them, that's when you realize that all fanatics are the same. They are
Yeah.
picking up fights that their hero doesn't give two shits about,
Yeah.
right? Two shits.
Correct.
और ये लोग अपना ऐसा झंडा गाड़ रहा है सब जगह, बोल रहा है अरे हम लोग ने बचाया तेरे को, बोल रहा है अजय देवगन डोंट गिव टू शिट्स डूड, वो मस्त कमा रहा है, सिंघम कर रहा है तेरे को, he doesn't
नहीं,
know
लेकिन-
about it.
Yeah.
और तो उसका रीजन भी क्या था याद है ना कि तूने अजय देवगन
Yeah.
के बारे में जोक मारा.
Yeah,
तो
I made it was a very stupid joke, dude. It was basically, this was when
What was the joke? Huh.
when Fan came out, the movie Fan. So I
Hmm.
tweeted out saying that the movie Fan can only happen with Shah Rukh Khan in it, because if Ajay Devgan was in the movie, people wouldn't believe that he has fans.
So
that-
his,
Billions.
Did you find out? Did you
so
find
his
out?
actual
Kautuk?
fans
Yeah.
went and shared box office collections of Ajay Devgan versus different actors
Yeah,
for
dude.
different
they,
years.
They have pulled out, meaning ऐसा 20 साल का data saying कि Ajay Devgan #1 hero, so many numbers of hits. Look at diversity of acting range. All of this,
Sometimes bikes, sometimes cars, sometimes horse.
And I was just looking at this, going like, Vimal Pan Masala. This is your hero. This is the guy.
बोलो जुबान
Okay.
केसरी. But
But that's the
मेरे
thing,
को
like,
sad
you're
लग रहा है
remembering
कि
Ajay Devgan from his worst, and these guys are remembering Ajay Devgan at
That's
his
true.
best.
That's true. That's
So
interesting. Yeah.
But the sad part is that these people who are collating years of data to
और उनको
show
Zoom TV
you
पैसा भी नहीं दे रहा है. हाँ, like
कोई
उसको
पैसा नहीं दे रहा है. उनके माँ बाप सोच रहे हो कि मेरा बेटा देख कितना काम करता है, आज क्या किया. नहीं डैड, आज वो विजय पथ ने कितना कलेक्शंस किया था 94 में फाइंड आउट किया. क्यों तू
हाँ बेटा, लेकिन तू अपना
वो आईटी में काम करता है. हाँ, बट वो अजय देवगन के बारे में कौतुक बोलेगा तो मैं कैसे चुप. अजय देवगन कौन है?
And
Actor is-
they have so much
Actor.
time, dude. They sent me a photoshopped image of Ajay Devgan, okay, where Ajay Devgan is standing like this, okay, and they have photoshopped a crowd in front of him, okay, and you can tell
Oh.
it's Photoshop because the same ऐसा shirt का आदमी बार बार आ रहा है, ठीक है, तो ऐसा, and they're like, look how many fans Ajay Devgan has. I'm like, buddy, like it's you and the 7 other people in my inbox right now. That's it.
अभी सोच, ये आदमी अभी इतना इजीली बिलीव करेगा कि कल कॉमेट आ रहा है और उसको लेके जा रहा है.
Yeah.
ऐसे होते
And
हैं.
like
ऐसे
नहीं,
लोग बढ़िया
ये
से
आदमी बिलीव करेगा, कि कमेंट आ रहा है, like Earth is going to get destroyed and Ajay Devgan देखो दो
दो कमेंट पे लेके जा रहा है.
करके
हेल बॉब और हेलिस कमेंट में आ जाओ मेरे साथ.
हेली का भाई हेल बॉब. हाँ.
अच्छा चलो, going back to actual cults that are responsible some of the most gruesome things, taking
Yeah.
off from Kautuk mass suicide of Heaven's Gate, you
Murari.
also had
It's
the
not
order of-
Kautuk's mass suicide, just
No, not
Kautuk's
Kautuk's.
point.
No, there was Order of the Solar Temple, which was a cult in Switzerland. ठीक है, in a Swiss village, again run by a neo-Nazi.
Hmm.
And they had the same thing where listen, ये सब होने वाला है, मैं तुमको बचाऊंगा, so we have to commit suicide together. They in fact allegedly also sacrificed a baby, thinking that the baby is the Antichrist.
Antichrist.
French consider the organization criminal today, but जब भी हुआ, and they also claimed to be like the second coming of the Knights Templar. This was their
Dude,
USP.
this is not a cult. This is the next Dan Brown book
Yeah.
which you're
Hmm.
reading
Tom
from.
Hanks.
Yeah. Dude, one of the scariest cases of cults like I've heard of was this was the murder of this guy called Mark Kilroy, who was an American.
That's a name which is a bit on the nose.
Oh,
The
Ah.
murder of Mark Kilroy.
So Kilroy
Wow.
was an American citizen who went to Mexico, and he was abducted by a cult. Okay, so the leader of the cult told his followers that human sacrifice granted them immunity from law enforcement for their drug smuggling operation.
Wow.
So
Hmm.
it wasn't even for a higher purpose. It was literally so that they could do Breaking Bad in Mexico. That was the reason. Like they had to kill
Oh,
someone.
So you see a
So
lot of people. You see a lot of people who join it for different reasons, and we thought cult was short of culture and cultivation, all of that. मेरे को लगता है it was short for culty. जिन जिन लोग को नॉर्मल सोसाइटी कल्टी लेके जाना है
निकाल लेगा
और निकलना है उधर पतली गली से इस दोनों जाके कल्ट
या सोसाइटी ने उनको कल्टी दी है so
हाँ
that's the idea
ये नहीं चलेगा मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरे को कल्टी लेने का है
So there are a couple of Indian cults also that we
but
can
you
talk
know
about.
before we go there we'll just finish बाहर का दो तीन है so remember this other John Frum. So basically,
Yeah.
these are small group of islands in the Pacific, right? That the U.S. Navy and Army would use as landing spots because of the Pacific War, right, with Japan.
Yeah.
So now, obviously, these islands were cut off, and they didn't have like a McDonald's or anything there. So they would rely on the American troops who would come with supplies, goods, etc. And एक बार war खत्म हो गया, तो सब bounce हो गए वहां से. So now they literally worship and wait for American soldiers as somebody who's going to come save them. So they have made like
Fake runway.
airstrips. They've made airstrips and shit there.
Oh
with the hope that कभी plane जाएगा और उन लोग आएंगे वापस और हमको बचाएंगे. And there's a whole cult around that.
just worshipping के the cargo आएगा
क्या आएगा?
the
हाँ.
cargo cult
हाँ, cargo cult.
I think that's
Cargo
what
But
it
this
should be
is
called.
this is like that, na? Castaway mein when that volleyball lands up on the thing and he gives it
Wilson!
he gives Wilson a face and she starts talking to like in 5 more years Wilson would have become a god and
But एक ही follow कर रहा होता ना उसको.
हाँ,
Tom
एक ही
Hanks.
follow कर रहा होता.
Hmm.
Uh,
But that's the idea. Like you just dump a lot of stuff that you want to believe in something, no? And it's just at that opportune moment, like people who are the leaders of such movements are considered to be masters of mind control. They know how to like to a certain degree. Like if you look at stand-up comedians or people, like we are controlling a large audience. We know how to get people to shut up. We're not running a cult, but it's the oratory power, right? We are accessing that. Any person who does public speaking, why is it considered one of the biggest fears in the world? If you ask people, death is not the greatest fear. It's public speaking. Public speaking is a bigger fear amongst people.
yeah,
who
giving
are,
your own
like,
eulogy. There was what was that? There was a statistic, right? Like,
Giving your own eulogy.
eulogy is
so there
scarier
was
than dying.
yeah. So there was
Giving
like,
your own eulogy is scarier than dying.
yeah, would you rather give your own eulogy or be in the coffin? Which one would you rather do? Most people
Yeah.
have said be in the coffin. Like people
Correct.
are more scared of dying than something. There was one statistic or joke or something like that.
So the point I'm trying to make is that we access that power to a certain degree to entertain. But we know, just because we spent so much time on stage
Other,
and
we are
addressed
not that
large groups of
interesting.
people.
That's the difference. We're not that confident. We're human. We have flaws. We don't have the ability to
But
harness
that's what
someone's
we're doing. We're
insecurity. to come.
emphasizing our flaws to make people laugh at them, right? As
No,
opposed
sure.
to these guys who are trying to show themselves to be impenetrable or perfect. And that's what people like to worship.
No,
It's
and
the opposite.
You
Yeah.
don't even, in fact, you don't even have to position yourself as impenetrable. You just have to position yourself as, like, for example, Hitler was like, guys, we will, like, people are against us. We have to do this to them, and we're going to be the best after that, right? If you
Yeah.
just give them a vision, that's why they're called visionaries, right? These fucking people, and you can use it both ways. Like the cults unfortunately use it to manipulate people and gain power, but you can also
Hmm.
use it for good. And uh, and the
No,
and
so that is also like a big point. Like these guys are huffed up on information. Like there's this German movie called Look Who's Back. I don't know how, like if you guys
yeah,
have
look who's
seen
back
it.
is the book was
Yeah,
also very good.
yeah, it's based on the book. And the first thing, Hitler, like imagine Hitler in 2000, like Hitler has come back. That is the concept of the film. Hitler has just suddenly reappeared in this time. And the first thing that man does is read every newspaper on like that he finds at a newspaper stand. Just feeds himself information about everything. So it's this weird sociopathic nature in which like, okay, I need to hold all the cards in my hand. That
Yeah,
it's that need to hold.
you can't be not informed. I think that's what
Hmm.
is also super important.
So I want to talk about a few more cults. Okay, so there was this one by a British taxi driver.
Yeah.
Okay, was
Hmm.
the Aetherius Society, which again has it's literally bro. You know, एक पिक्चर का तो टेम्पलेट पकड़ लेता है और फिर उसके बाद बनाते जा रहा है कि गरीब लड़का अमीर लड़की लड़की का बाप वो वाला ये इन लोग सब जितने भी न्यू रिलीजियस मूवमेंट्स है या कल्ट से दे आर ऑल फॉलोइंग द सेम थिंग विद अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ ट्विस्ट. So even this Aetherius Society by a cab driver in somewhere in the UK, उसका भी concept क्या है कि we have cosmic masters in on from Venus and Mars, and they are going to descend to Earth. A messianic figure is going to descend and he's going to take care of all of the things with
तो
magic.
रोनाल्डो फैन नहीं है इसमें लेकिन.
Hmm.
ठीक है वो
Quite
है.
messy.
फिर दूसरा था वो remember we spoke about Hona Hana Sanpogyo.
Hmm.
Hona Hana
Which is the food reading cult, guys, which is quite hilarious.
Which
It's
is
this guy from
that
Japan.
name is actually Quentin Tarantino in Japanese. That's what I think.
Ho
it's
ho no hana san
Hono Hana
pogyo.
Sanpogyo.
but
Pogyo.
if
It is.
their thing
Quentin
is
Tarantino.
also if their thing is also a doomsday cult, then they should have just called it Kal Ho Na Ho Na Na Ho Na.
कल होना हो संपॉग्यो.
पता नहीं क्या food reading कर
ब्रो
रहा है
ये
यार.
क्या
Then,
अजीब
हाँ.
कल्ट है. दे आर डूइंग फूड रीडिंग. ठीक है अब समटाइम्स चार्जिंग अप टू $900 फॉर एवरी इंस्पेक्शन. $900 and they would say
नहीं,
shit
इससे
like, you know, if you
pedicure
have
करा
a
लेता मैं.
if you
If they're giving me the world's best foot massage, I mean, still $900 is a lot.
No,
For the
he's
world's
not.
best
No,
foot
he's
massage.
He's not. He's just reading a food. And the thing is, our food, like any typical Indian घर का जो घर का पैर होता है, it's just covered in calluses. So I don't know उसको क्या दिख रहा
Dude,
है.
and their readings would be so stupid as if you have fat toes, that means your life is going to be full of good fortune. If you
Yeah.
have a short toe, which means you have a short temper. तो ये
Dude, this
इससे
is
कल्ट
why
कैसे बन गया?
this is why you need an education, because if he was educated, he
But
wouldn't
bro,
be reading
educated
feet, he would be
people also
reading
fall
books.
for it. That's
No.
the I mean, obviously the percentage of people falling for it who are uneducated must be a lot more. But educated people who we think are
Because
like
I
us,
don't think it's
capable
got
of
to do
critical
with-
thinking.
like I said,
I think he
it's
gets
not-
to charge 900. I think he gets to charge $900 क्योंकि every time he's reading somebody's foot or it's like ये line आपकी और उसको गुदगुदी होती है और उसके मुंह पे लात पड़ती है. So he has taken the risk to get kicked in the face
So,
every time.
no, it's not about intellect or education, guys. I'm saying that it's about insecurity, and insecurity किसी को भी हो सकता है. So your brain can justify that no matter whether you are insecure, whether you are
Correct,
educated or
correct.
uneducated.
Correct.
Okay, so the question is, what are the stupid things that you believe right now? There's clearly like all of us also believe some dumb shit, right?
No, I'll give you an
But they're
example
not
of the
cultish.
No,
हाँ.
the cults that have had dumb shit, like this guy with the taxi driver guy I told you about, ठीक है. दूसरा ये foot वाला, एक था Chen Tao. Chen Tao का पता है क्या है? That Earth is created by nuclear war. Firstly, that's one of his belief systems. Okay, and then he's whatever he had 100, 200 members in his cult. Okay, he had a prophecy where he said that the founder Hon Ming Chen, okay, he predicted that God would appear on a single TV channel in North America, whether or not you have cable, at 12:01 a.m. on March 31st. That was his prophecy. जो नहीं हुआ क्योंकि
Wow,
इनके
yeah,
चालुक्य
no
और फ्रेंड्स आ रहा था. बोला हट ये चुतिया बना रहा है और फिर disbanded.
But no, but here's the thing. In a lot of cases, the cult wouldn't have dissipated. In a lot of cases, they would have found a way to justify the fact that that prophecy did not get
They
fulfilled,
push
which
it,
is why
right?
we
हाँ,
need
they
to-
push it. Yeah, to
Dude,
2000
because
से 2012 हुआ. हाँ.
जो भी स्क्रिप्ट राइटर है ना बोल रहा है देख भाई अपना एक तो नैरेटिव हो गया ऑलरेडी. मेसियानिक फिगर हु हैज बीन गिवन डायरेक्शंस ऑन हाउ टू ब्ला 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 ये हो गया है. कुछ स्क्रिप्ट में चेंज करना पड़ेगा. अलग चाहिए कुछ. So you had other people like Freedomites. Freedomites were basically people, they escaped to Russia to avoid prosecution, but उन लोगों का scene था communal living, nudity and anarchy.
And
They
Russia
want
is
you-
the place to do this.
They want you to do
Communal living
demonstration,
and nudity.
show opposition, okay? So basically burn a building down, लेकिन nanga.
Communal
To show
living,
their disdain for the
anarchy,
government.
Nudity.
Dude,
Nudity.
Communal
this is-
living, nudity and anarchy.
Dude, you could
Anarchy.
have done this at Kolwa Beach.
Yeah, just
This
yeah.
exact same-
But
Dude,
the only
one sec.
advantage is
If
like
you
जब
go
तू
to
ऐसा अपना
Goa,
Molotov, हाँ,
If you go to
क्या?
Goa, if you go to North Goa during season, this is
वही तो
what's
मैं-
happening.
वही तो है.
yeah, it's just नहीं, but if
nobody's
you're doing a
burning
riot,
anything.
हाँ,
Instead of
अगर तू
अरे
anarchy,
but
riot
it
में
is anarchy.
मोलोटॉफ कॉकटेल लेके ऐसे फेंक रहा है, एटलीस्ट
वो
तेरा
जले-
कपड़ा तो नहीं जलेगा ना. That's
नहीं,
the
लेकिन
whole
स्किन
idea.
भी जलेगा ना Molotov
But वो
cocktail
पी
से.
रहा है ना.
It's a Molotov cocktail. Yeah. Which is served to you in a
और
shack.
दूसरा ब्रो इधर
अरे वो देख नंगा.
communal living nudity है लेकिन anarchy है. That's my
Yeah.
favorite bit कि चलो सब लोग साथ में नंगे रहेंगे. अच्छा चल जाके मारते हैं उसको. लेकिन रुक मैं पैंट पहनता हूँ. अरे पागल है क्या तू पैंट क्यों पहनेगा?
पागल.
तू मार के
Right.
भागेगा देख कितना फास्ट जब भी नंगा हो.
But is it only the is it only the good looking people who are supposed to be nanga, like is that
और उनका सीन ये है, खाली हाथ आए थे हम.
खाली हाथ जाएंगे.
चलो नेक्स्ट.
इंडिया में भी काफी cults है. Like just not just from like the Oshos and stuff like that, like stuff that has gone down, right? Like whether it is what is that, the Nathari murders or the
Nathari was not
अबे
cult.
not
Nathari
Nathari,
नहीं.
Burari.
Burari.
Sorry.
So
Burari.
you had something called the Dayan. Now usually people get confused right between Dayan and Chudel. They assume that they're synonyms, but it's not a synonym.
They're not.
Dayan is a human being, and Chudel is supposed to be a ghost with supernatural powers. So Dayan was also supposedly a cult from 1532. Okay, and a lot of them were eradicated, so to speak, by witch hunts and stuff that happened. But in still
Did it
parts
happen
of
in Salem, India? What?
huh?
Did it happen?
Salem, India नहीं होता.
It was in Hudangal village, na Latur ke paas.
Just, हाँ.
Apparently, now sightings have also happened in Bihar and Jharkhand. Sporadic sightings, where one thing is that their real power lies in their hair. Power lies in their hair, one, and they also communicate in a secret language. Yeah.
So like उल्टे पैर किसके होते हैं? Let's just make it as easy as possible for people.
Chudel.
पैर किसके? चुड़ैल के पैर उल्टे
So
होते हैं.
Chudel
Dian
is
the human.
supernatural. Dayan is
हाँ.
just natural. All natural.
Yeah, all natural.
Just all
Organic.
natural.
Organic.
Organic and natural.
Organic. Diane is vegan.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so that works.
Dude,
Acha, there's one thing.
Can you imagine being the barber and a Diane walks in and you're about to give her a haircut and फिर तेरा गार्ड लग जाता है क्योंकि she's like
So all the power is in the hair, right?
Yeah.
Apparently.
Yeah.
अरे
हाँ.
तू
क्या-
try
Main
कर
source
रहा है
of the
काटने को और
powers
नहीं हो
है.
रहा.
क्या केन एंड एबल है क्या?
नहीं, Samson and Delilah ना. Samson के
and Delilah,
बाल में
sorry,
सब
Cain and
power
Cain
था.
and Abel.
Sorry.
Cain
Samson
and
Delilah. Sorry. Samson and Delilah. Correct.
So
My bad.
there's this Indian thing which is from the 1400s or and went up to until the British came to British coming to India. These guys are called the Thuggis.
Thuggis.
And Thuggis are essentially people who would fool the foreigners coming into India.
No, not foreigners. They started
Tourists.
Desi,
Huh.
tourists, public, idhar people who lost their way or whatever. Catch them, kill them, steal their belongings, and bounce.
Oof. And like
then
get rid of the
फिर
body.
गोरे
You
लोग
can't
को भी
find
करने
them.
लगे. That's why then British is like अभी अच्छा कुछ करना पड़ेगा. और फिर
अरे,
आदित्य
this is
चोपड़ा ने
also-
बोला कि अपने को भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा. और
फिर Thugs of
आमिर खान को
Hindustan.
फोन किया और Thugs of Hindustan बनाया.
And by the
But
way,
the word
they
thug-
probably over 400 years, they've probably this is a Guinness Book of Record. This is the most
Most kills
apparently.
by
हाँ, लिखा है 12 million. Probably
12?
12 million. This cult has probably killed 12 million people. Now
This cult has killed more than Corona.
Yeah,
what the
This
fuck?
cult has
dude?
killed more
but
than
400
Hitler.
years, Kautuk, 400 years under the radar with no stopping them.
Hey man, like here's the thing. अगर तो 12 million लोग को मारा है, okay, over on average Like that's a lot. There's still a lot of like you should have stopped them by the 100th year at least.
My
अरे
bad.
but
My
कोई
bad.
लिख के
2
ले रहा नहीं
million.
था ना.
It's 2 million. 2 million. 2 million.
इधर
It was
fuck.
0.1. It was 2 million. 2 million people. But
You
that's
increased
also a
the
lot.
death toll
Cosmo.
by
That's still a
10
lot.
million.
10 million. नहीं, 2 million था. It's one.
वाह,
I said
बाबा,
1 point. ऐसे 2
आदर
लिखा
अच्छा
था.
हुआ तू जर्नलिस्ट नहीं है. आप जैसे यहाँ देख सकते हैं
Thanks.
800 million people have come here.
Sir, 800 है, खाली 800
Sorry,
है, please.
800 लोग
800 लोग.
with
I'm
millions
Ron
watching
Burgundy.
at
I have
home.
a better chance of being Ron Burgundy than a journalist. I've covered 4 wars. 3 of them I personally started. Such a great line.
Great one. But then you also had the Brahma Kumaris, right? Which also has been in existence for very long. And they also have principles like, firstly, celibacy, in and out of marriage. तो सब
Oh, that's
husband
right.
लोग fry हो गए कि क्या चल रहा है scene. So they've not done anything untoward like go kill anarchy वैसा नहीं है, but they just have a certain belief system that they follow. The kind of food they eat, how much you speak. I don't know the intricacies, but I know these few things. In fact, अपना president ex-president Pratibha Patil in one of her addresses had actually said that Baba, whoever was the head of the Brahma Kumari, has come and spoken to her and told her that it's going to be a good year. This is what
So-
I had read somewhere, that she
Baba is there
allegedly
somewhere
said
in
this.
India. So Baba is there
Oh
somewhere
no,
in
he
India.
passed away. It was a Sindhi name, यार. उसका नाम क्या था?
Kripalani or something.
Good Kautuk.
Lake
You-
Kripalani.
Kaltani.
Kaltani. No, it was.
But
it
the
was
thing
this.
is like,
Lekhraj.
हम लोग
Lekhraj
के-
Kripalani.
But हम लोग के कॉलेज के पीछे होता था. There was a Brahma Kumari center behind our college. देखो याद नहीं है क्या?
कॉलेज के पीछे कल्ट चालू है.
एनएम मिठी भाई रोड क्रॉस किया अपना वो जो डोसे वाले की लाइन आती है और जब डोसे वाले की लाइन एंड होती है पहला गली जाता है पहला जो क्रॉस लेन जाता है
वो अंकित का
जहाँ पे
लेन है.
पीछे छुप के जहाँ पे पीछे छुप के सब लोग वहां पे सिगरेट फूकते थे तो वहां से उसके आगे ब्रह्म कुमारी का सेंटर आता है.
तो ब्रह्म कुमार में सेलिब्रेसी चालू है और इधर पब्लिक सिगरेट पीते
Dude, एक डोसा वाले का कार्ट था जहाँ पे हम लोग का वो मिलता था वो दूध वाला का स्टॉल होता था आरे कॉलोनी स्टॉल होता था और उस स्टॉल के पीछे धीरज के पीछे ये लोग सिगरेट जाके पीते थे सब पब्लिक.
Dude,
मेरे को लग रहा है अभी भी उधर ही पी रहे
कल्ट होता है.
सब लोग पी रहे उधर ही पी रहे. बट द आइडिया द ब्रह्म कुमारी लाइक आई रिमेम्बर अ लॉट ऑफ आवर like a lot of my friends from college, their parents were there with Brahma Kumaris, and it was more about like that chill space of just being like
yeah, that's what I'm saying. They
meditation
never
and stuff.
did anything like
Yeah.
Dude, you know something? When Adar started that sentence, I genuinely thought he was going to go with. So I had some friends in college. वो लोग भी थे ब्रह्म कुमारी. तो ऐसा, you know, क्लास के बाद चल मैं निकल रहा हूँ. थोड़ा निर्वाणा
चल.
प्राप्त करना है.
निर्वाणा प्राप्त.
Prap. This is the extent of Kautuk Sindhi, guys.
Yeah, I used all the words.
It's all his words on this.
अच्छा तो अपन ने मेन कल्ट के बारे में तो बात की ही नहीं है. जो लोग ने पिक्चर बनाई.
But all cults make movies. It's like corporate films.
They
That's
have to.
what
They have
अबे
to.
बट ये मेन स्ट्रीम थिएटर में 70 mm पिक्चर बनाया है MSG. Which was what is his
Sequel भी बनाया था ना. Sequel भी बनाया था.
Messenger of God. हाँ,
हाँ,
sequel भी
Messenger
आया
of
था.
God.
Dera
Motorcycle,
Sacha
Harley
Sauda.
Davidson.
Dera Sacha
Harley
Sauda.
Davidson of God.
Yeah, Dera Sacha Sauda. So wait, so will that come under cult or what
Oh,
will
clearly.
that? That
No,
is a
that's
cult.
It's definitely
jail,
a
bro.
cult,
Proper
right? I'm
cult,
saying
no?
it's definitely also a cult because there are people who have fallen for it. It's not like everybody who.
So then
went-
what? So that doesn't that conflict with like Godman wala scene? Like you have then अपनी वो कौन है?
But I think it would, no?
Radhema.
I think
Yeah.
that if you're not
Radhema
a
also be under called
So-
under cult.
Yeah, the
think
head
it
of
would
a
be
cult
a
is a
cult.
god man.
Yeah.
That's all. That's all.
Okay, so Dera Sacha Sauda. I don't know if you guys have watched the movie where he was credited with everything.
Dude, he
Yeah.
had 32 credits in his last
dude. Even
movie.
Clint Eastwood has lesser credits in his own films. by
Dude,
the way.
because Clint
Yeah.
Eastwood doesn't take credit for catering.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Clint Eastwood खुद भी नहीं खा रहा है. Like I don't want this credit at all.
केटरिंग उसको एक और क्रेडिट डालना चाहिए था व्यूइंग क्योंकि कौन
इकलौता viewer.
बैठ के देख रहा है.
No, but look, clearly, like no, I think now a lot of his like the followers we're going to be getting like box office collections from that movie. Suddenly, all of us are going to get DM'd.
No, but
No. That, I don't think anybody will. I don't think anybody will sort of.
Bro, I'd
give us
seen a
care
killer.
about-
I'd seen a killer interview of apna MSG with Koel Puri. Okay, this is the
On the
show she
couch.
does on the couch with Koel.
Red couch,
And this
red
is
couch.
when the movie is on a promotion tour
Spree.
for the film. And now you know how Koel Puri is very like classy, proper. So
Proper,
Baba ji, aap bataiye. You're also a
Baba
singer.
ji.
You know, like you're also a singer, and he's like, yes, and he starts singing. "Jige maraga, jige maraga, jige maraga, desh ka liye." And there's one like cut to Koel's face when
Why?
you know there's make you
and he's just shouted at full volume.
you know, but you know
Yeah.
why this has
and then
happened,
none
right?
of
And
China-
imagine the sound dada on that interview just sitting around saying, taking his headphones out.
No, but you know why this has happened, right? It's because this guy has always been surrounded by followers who have never told him कि बाबा जी आप किसी भी चीज में कम हो. तो बाबा जी जाके कोयल पुरी को भी
He's
सुना
only got
दिया.
hype man. No, he's only
Yeah,
got hype
exactly.
man.
Yes,
ऐसा
man.
मस्त था
Extreme
मस्त
yes,
था
man.
अरे लेकिन वो मैं नहीं हूँ बहुत गंदा था
Also, you know what Babaji has done, right? So Scientology has Tom Cruise. Babaji was like, मैं खुद Tom Cruise.
Ah.
I'm very clear about that that I am it but लेकिन even Radhima bro you know there was one time when I saw for some reason she looks like Ekta Kapoor put a lot of makeup right if you look at Radhima carefully I mean she's not Ekta Kapoor but it's like
Yeah, no.
like if you just put a lot of makeup on Ekta Kapoor make her wear that red bindi this that she looked like Radhima bro and people are crazy because you've seen videos right of from her communes or from whatever where she does
Oh, God.
she goes to the people who have
Ground and
come
some-
lie
Gotcha.
sits on them or some shit I've seen some crazy videos and there's people just throwing money at her throwing money you think she also must have been like ये क्या है मस्त है यार ये scene
Yeah.
ये मैं मतलब
Dude,
मैं तो-
but you know what?
No, I think
we're
that
not
beyond
very
a certain
different,
point,
dude. We're not different because throwing money at her is her version of the super chat.
yeah
No, but I think
not
that
at all
I don't think that there is an iota of
That's right.
self-awareness in a situation like this. You cannot be self-aware. You can't assume.
But it brings
that-
back to our first point, right? They feel they are in the right. They deserve this
Correct,
money.
they
They
deserve it. That's
this
what I'm saying.
following.
Guys, one sec. If honestly speaking, we are also cultish, right? With super chats being given.
we've not asked any of our followers to kill anybody or kill
Yeah,
themselves
But we
Yeah.
have asked our followers to
Guy
change the
बॉम्बे में
password.
टिकट खरीदो गाय बॉम्बे में टिकट खरीदो
बॉम्बे
हमारे
में ticket खरीदो,
शोज चल
Hyderabad.
रहे हैं लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में
So no,
हैदराबाद
but
boom
I'm
नहीं
just
हो रहा।
saying if we were a cult, we'd be wank because like
what
VA
oh like VANK
Oh.
wank. And our one sec, and our followers would be wankers, guys.
wow
Wankers.
Oh.
wow
this-
yes
This is
Wanker-
nice.
wanker
I
OP
would
in-
agree to
wanker
that.
OP in the chat.
Not wankers, wankers. Like,
Wanker.
Wanker.
Just one
wanker.
person. Wanker. I'm hashtag wanker OP.
Wanker
Wankers.
OP Wanker अच्छा नाम है it's better than Jugnians or whatever
You have to be a
MSG
beatbox-
followers are called
You have to be a beatboxer to pronounce Duvginian.
but Wankers अच्छा है so guys in the comments write Wanker OP and also write Bawa BC
We see.
do not forget Bawa BC in the comments
Never forget.
Arey
Yeah.
bro, that will happen
It's
first.
it has
Baba
nothing to
BC
do with
will
his
happen.
age.
Dude, अगर हम
Baba
लोग
BC
cult
will
होते
happen,
ना,
then it will be wankers.
अगर हम लोग
हाँ.
cult होते तो basically every Tuesday of 2nd March we would be celebrating like there would be a ritual where we would all delete one thing from our life in symbolic gesture for Baba's deleted podcast.
Mm.
Delete negative thoughts like Baba deleted podcast. It would be like that.
But we are still a nice cult because we are asking them to delete negative thoughts.
Yeah,
We are
guys,
not saying-
नहीं,
guys,
but वो ऐसे-
delete,
We are not
make a
saying
story. Make a
delete
story
someone
of
from
you
your life.
deleting, make
हाँ.
a story of you deleting something or moving something to your trash of your laptop and then send it to us and tag us in your story.
no and just tell us if TIS were a cult what would be the founding principles of TIS and
Yeah,
Oh,
leave
wankers.
that in
Don't
the
drink the
comments.
Kool-Aid when you can drink the Nimbo Pani.
yeah
Nice,
Wankers.
nice.
and look at a comment don't expect to be taken on it to another universe when the
Wow.
apocalypse
Okay,
comes.
we are going to get commandments, guys. We're going to have our own.
Come
set
on
of,
go
like,
go crazy
rules.
in the comments let us
Also-
know TIS
Also, you know what? If you follow the cult of TIS, then you will
Which is
live to be-
wankers.
Yeah,
If you are a
if you're
wanker.
then you
If
will
you are
be
a wanker.
immortal, just like Baba. Hashtag Baba
Yeah.
Buddhe. Hashtag seen the Jurassic Park in action. Baba visited Jurassic Park when it was not a park.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was not even Jurassic. It was today.
Today park.
It was
Baba
मैं
used
जाके
to call
bread
it
लेके
आज.
आता हूँ. It was मैं जाके bread लेके आता हूँ.
Okay, guys, ये मेरा stand up है. Let's not. किसी ने मेरा special नहीं देखा.
All right, guys, that's it from this episode of the Internet Said So. We were discussing cults. If you are a cult leader or part of any cult, let us know in the comments.
Please leave a comment. Yeah, let us know.
Other than that, have fun. Please don't be culty and don't join crazy cults. And buy
Yeah.
tickets and do all of that shit. And see you again next week.
Fuck, dude. एक
Wankers.
second. Guys, I just realized that total control over your life, told what to do, never allowed to leave. A cult is basically an Indian family, dude.
Oh
Like, that's what
God.
the fuck. We've all been in cults.
Every Indian family is a cult.
You are perfect beats.
Uh,
Think
I
you are
don't
on
know
hard
what-
drugs.
What happened to
is
their roti
on hard
today? It is burnt.
Guys, tickets खरीदो.
Guys,
Well,
tickets.
बंद करो.
हाँ, Bombay के shows के tickets है नीचे. Move खरीद लो guys so that we
hey,
can
and I'm
concentrate on
doing
stand up and not
Zoom
worry.
shows on 7th and 14th. I'm doing Zoom shows. Come for Zoom
Suddenly
shows.
plug stuff.
Okay,
Also,
guys,
वरुण
we
तू एक
can't-
कर ले show.
Don't, हो
वरुण
गया.
तू एक show कर ही
मैं
ले.
कर
वरुण.
लूंगा. Guys, if you want me
एक
to do
show.
a show, let me know in the comments. Saying Varun, please show कर. अच्छा,
Hey,
please मत
listen.
बोल. Just say Varun show कर.
Dude, how
please.
many comments
Then
are
do
going
it.
to come for this podcast today? Dude?
We need to hit 1,000. If we hit 1,000
Yeah.
comments on this podcast, then great.
Also, Baba,
Nice.
from next time, let's keep a separate section called show promotions where we do
Show
it properly rather than like bhikmangas.
Ah,
Like just
yeah. Guys,
guys,
but-
please.
guys,